Hello and welcome to my proposed circuit designs explanation video. In this case study, I chose differential op-amp in my circuit design. Why? The reasons are to suppress noises generated in the wires and cables so that external interferences can be reduced. Second is to avoid unnecessary signals, and third, calculations will be easier as it consists only one op-amp. Next, based on information given regarding sensor and output voltage, I obtain this as my output voltage equation. Hence, I assume that I have an unbalanced differential op-amp in my circuit. This is due to the coefficient of Vs and the coefficient of Vx are not the same. So of course, the characteristics of unbalanced differential op-amp is the total opposite of the balanced one. So because it is unbalanced, we have to use the unbalanced differential op-amp formula. And I obtain this is as the ratio and the Vx is 1 volt. So this is my final circuit design, which we have the feedback resistor 50 kilo ohm, the ground resistor as 40 kilo ohm, the first resistor is 20 kilo ohm, and the R2 is 30 kilo ohm, and the Vx is 1 voltage, and as the Vs, which given in the information, is between 0.5 volt to 1 voltage, and this is my output voltage. Thank you and have a nice day.